Hey everybody, Robert Rosenfeld here. No flashy intro, no epic B-roll, no Tesla talk really in this video. This is going to be a little bit of a different video that I'll probably will delete in like the next day or two. So this is something different. You've been warned. But I just want to take an opportunity to go over a couple of important channel updates. I think I owe you guys sort of an update as things change. Nothing bad. Don't worry about it. But usually I sort of script videos out and talk Tesla and all that stuff. This is going to be a little bit different. I've got no script. It's just me, a microphone, and a camera. And there's a couple important things that I want to talk to you guys about in this video, sort of a channel update. Three main things. One being sort of a channel update. One being kind of a question for you guys on content, and then the other sort of just being a thank you for everything that has happened thus far. So I guess first, let me say thank you guys. I never really intended to start a Tesla channel. It was something I just sort of fell into because I took delivery of that Santa Range Plus back in May of 2019, and I just sort of love this community. I, as I'm sure many of you guys did, watched a bunch of videos, read a lot of forum posts. I was in Reddit threads on Teslas. And as a potential owner, you want to do your research and your due diligence, and also just sort of sharing the excitement, because Teslas are unlike any other car on the road. The software, the hardware, it's just an amazing experience. And as I sort of went from a potential owner to an owner myself, I kind of wanted to share the journey and sort of kind of talk about how things were changing and evolving, and also share my perspective as a Standard Range Plus owner, because the Standard Range Plus really didn't get a lot of coverage. I didn't really know a lot about it before I took delivery, and there were a lot of differences, more than now back then, between the long range and the Standard Range Plus. So I kind of just wanted to know more about it and started creating content, and just kind of fell backwards into this channel and fell into an amazing audience, which is you guys. And I sort of just really wanted to first start out by saying thank you guys. The channel is at nearly 15,000 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy to me. I had this channel for years and years, since I was like a teenager, and just never really did anything with it. And then sort of this just all kind of fell into place. And I just wanted to thank you guys all personally, deeply, from the bottom of my heart, for watching these videos. I read all the comments, don't necessarily respond to all of them, but I do read all of them. And I just wanted to thank you guys for watching these videos, for interacting, for commenting, for liking, subscribing. It has been really fun to sort of see this hobby turn into something more. I feel like I actually have a purpose now, and I actually get to not only kind of connect with you guys and talk about things and share my enthusiasm, or our enthusiasm about Tesla, if I can talk, but also just sort of provide updates and news and details and tips and tricks. I just want to say personally, again, thank you to you for watching this video, for sticking it out with me here on this channel through all these videos, for subscribing, whether you've been around for a few years or a few months or a few weeks. Just want to say thank you very much for choosing to watch my content. Just first and foremost, I just want to let you know that I really do appreciate it. Okay, update number 2 is about some scheduling stuff. Things are going to get a little crazy very soon. I talked about this in a previous video a while ago, but for those of you who don't know, my wife and I are expecting our first child, a daughter, in early January, which is fast approaching. Which means that things on this channel are going to get a little dicey. I typically try to really stick to a one-a-week video here on this channel. I do have other commitments, and this is not my job. This is sort of something fun I do on the weekends, so I try to give it some love and attention, and at least one video here on the channel a week. But as I sort of enter into a new phase in my life, and just a lot of different changes here, things are going to change a little bit. So I'm still going to stick to a one-a-week video schedule. That's not changing. The content's not really changing. It's just that if things are a little sporadic, or content's a little different, or things are sort of shuffled around, just know that you have my apologies. Some things are going on, and I have to get back on track. So it'll probably be a little bit of a weird month in January. I'm going to try to pre-schedule some stuff to sort of have that out. So apologies in advance if it's not the most up-to-date current information, but I will try to get things out in January. And then sort of moving beyond that, I'm going to do my absolute best to stick to one video a week. But things might change a little bit. So just sort of an update on that front. I'll be a little MIA in January. So videos will still be here, obviously. So please continue to watch, because that really does help me out. But just so you know, if things are a little weird next month, that's going to be why. And then last but certainly not least, probably the most important thing I want to get out of this video, besides saying thank you guys, is getting your feedback on content. I have seen so many comments on the content that I've made on this channel. Some people absolutely hate what I do, and that's okay. You know what? I'm a grown up. I can take criticism, and I try to do my best to find content that provides value to both existing owners and especially to new owners. A lot of people don't understand that a lot of people who watch these videos are newcomers for the first time who haven't seen other videos, but I get the critiques. And I also want to sort of entertain and inform and just make videos that I'd want to watch as an owner, and also, as I'm sure you guys are aware if you've watched any other YouTuber, sort of videos that fit within the algorithm. YouTube's algorithm is a fickle machine. It is tough to sort of figure out, and you have to sort of please it with the titles and thumbnails you give it, which sometimes I know really makes some of you guys very upset, and I apologize for that. I'm not trying to clickbait anyone. I try to make the title and thumbnail relevant to the video as best I can, but I do have to make those changes just to get YouTube to even serve the video. So I'm not trying to complain. That's just sort of the name of the game here on YouTube, but for those of you who are curious, that's kind of as to why that is. And also, I want to know your thoughts. What kind of content do you want to see? Now is your chance. Please let me know down below as I try to pre-record stuff, and especially as I sort of get things back on track in January and February and sort of really dial in my content moving forward. I want to know what my subscribers and my viewers actually want to see, because most of the time I'm just trying to find Tesla news that I think is interesting. I'm trying to go off of topics that I think would provide value and trying to do my best, trying to figure it out. I don't really know. A lot of times I run out of ideas. When you try to make one video a week, it doesn't sound like a lot, but it can be a little tough to figure out content that is interesting, informational, and also sort of feeds the requirements of the YouTube algorithm. So I'm curious, what kind of videos would you guys want to see on this channel? What kind of Tesla content? What questions could I answer? What kind of value can I bring to you guys? Do you want to see Q&A videos? Do you want to see live stream videos where I interact with you guys and answer questions? Do you guys want to see me sort of walk through DIY tutorials on the Tesla or walk through basic things? I'm really open to anything. So if there is content you'd like to see me do, or if you have feedback on the content that I do, you think I'm doing something wrong, you think I should do something differently, please let me know down below. I'm okay to take open constructive criticism. I'm open to feedback. All I want to do is make this channel better and provide you guys as much value as I can, and make your 10 minutes or so of watching my videos worthwhile. So let me know your feedback, your comments, your thoughts on the channel down below. Now is a good time to sort of reflect on things. And yeah, that's kind of my open call for any kind of feedback, any kind of ideas you guys would like to see of videos. Let me know down below. And yeah, this is just again, I'm probably going to delete this video, but just I thought I owed you guys an update as things change. This is a thank you to you. Thank you very much. Please let me know what kind of content you'd like to see. And also, please don't go away. The content is not changing. Nothing is going to radically change. Just know that in January, I'm going to be a little bit more MIA than usual. So if I don't post exactly one a week, or if I'm kind of posting sporadically, that is the reason why. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Again, it means the world to me, and I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you back here in a couple of days with another video that I have queued up. I don't know what it is, but in a few days, I'll have another great Tesla video here to hopefully provide you guys some value and entertainment. So I'll see you then. And yeah, have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching.